And very good morning. It's 4:30 in the morning. As you can see, the sun is about to rise. So let's shoot the time lapse, and I will show.
To speak, you're quick to change your mind, and I know it's me that followed you in blind. I could say that you didn't need, but you wanted me. Maybe I was wrong, even once wasn't anything.
Welcome back to the channel, guys. I hope you all are fine and staying home. Thank you so much for 300 subscribers. और गुड न्यूज़ है गाइज, 300 सब्सक्राइबर्स कंप्लीट होने पे गो नॉइज जो है, जो वॉच मैंने पहन रखा है, इस वॉच पे 300 का डिस्काउंट, इंस्टेंट डिस्काउंट मिल रहा है। आप कूपन कोड अप्लाई कर सकते हो, फ्यूचर 300। लिंक मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दी है, तो प्लीज़ चेक इट आउट।